really happy because this is a very bad situation for our country. I feel I need to do this. It's our responsibility.
Please approach the microphone if you are around. Nandito na po yung
Nalulungkot po kasi nawala na po kami ng hanap buhay. Wala na po yung mga yung nyug na sa kopra. Tsaka yung palayan namin na po ng nyug, nadaganan din po ng nyug. Hindi po kami makakapaghanap buhay.